super simple.
The next morning.
Hey, good morning, Leon.
Good morning, Common. How are you?
I just woke up. I guess I left my computer on again.
Yeah, how'd you sleep, big dog?
I slept okay. I kind of just want to get this Miu stuff done. Yesterday was actually pretty successful. Live 2D model rendering on the Android. We also got face tracking working. So now here comes the AI part, the robo brain, if you will. When you're looking at running a local language model, there's a couple things that you really want to pay attention to. The main thing is going to be parameter count. Now, since we only have 12 gigabytes of video RAM, we don't want to overload it with just the model. The reason why is there's a couple other things down the line that we're going to do that's going to require that video RAM. Think of it as gold. It's a very important resource that we need to have. I went with the Dolphin 3 8B. Now, the reason for this is the Dolphin 3 8B is already trained as an assistant model. This should give us a really good starting point for Miu, just because she is going to be an AI girlfriend, but she needs to be an assistant. She needs to be useful. She needs to do things. So that's what we're doing today. The first step is actually pretty simple. Once Ollama is installed, you want to pull the correct model. Now, you can do this one of two ways. You can do it through the Ollama app, or you can do it directly through your PowerShell or command prompt. Run the code Ollama space pull and then Dolphin 3 8B. Once you run that, it's going to download a file into your wherever your Ollama directory is going to be. It's not going to matter because we're going to pull it anyways. So then you're going to want to do Ollama list. Now, you should see the Dolphin model installed there. It'll give you exactly the size and everything as well. You'll need to set the Ollama host to this. This will allow it to work with our app we're going to use. That app is called Tailscale. Tailscale is super simple setup. It's free. It took me 3 minutes. All you're going to do is download it on the Android device, sign in or make an account, and then do the same thing on the computer. So you also want to set the Ollama base URL to what your Tailscale address is. That's how you're going to actually connect it. So now that we've told Ollama where to look and we've told Tailgate exactly where we are going, you should have seamless connection between the two devices, your Ollama computer and your Android device. The next part is where the magic actually happens. You're going to want to go through and make just a very basic Ollama script. You want to make sure you import all your Android stuff and make sure your networking is correct. Make sure the public class that you're going to use for Ollama client has the correct address. It should look something like http://IP address/API/chat. Then you can have the actual fun. You can make the base prompt. The base prompt is essentially where you're just going to spit down words of how you want your AI girlfriend to be. For example, I said, "You are Miu, a nerdy AI assistant girl